Let's make SPAM silog Burrito. You'll need SPAM, tortilla wraps, spring onions, rice, white onion, oil, tomato, sour cream, chopped garlic, and eggs. Open up your SPAM can. Slice SPAM luncheon meat into strips. Heat oil in a pan and fry strips of SPAM luncheon meat. Set aside. In a separate pan, fry the garlic. Add the rice and season with salt. Mix tomato and onion together and season with salt. In a bowl, scramble 4 pieces of eggs and season with salt. And time to fry! For the sauce, mix chopped spring onions and sour cream. Then get a tortilla, add garlic rice, tomato and onion, scrambled egg, and SPAM. Drizzle with sauce and wrap into a burrito. Wrap the burrito in foil and bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 minutes. And just repeat the process until you're done. Once heated, just cut in half and serve with sauce on the side. Enjoy!